Using a Wise card overseas can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling abroad. To get started, you will need to have a Wise account and a Wise debit card. First, make sure your card is activated and you have downloaded the Wise mobile app. The app allows you to track your spending, freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and receive notifications for transactions. When using your Wise card overseas, it is essential to inform Wise of your travel plans to avoid any transaction restrictions. You can do this by logging into your Wise account and adding your travel dates and destinations. Wise cards use the real exchange rate with no hidden fees, making it a great option for international transactions. You can use your Wise card to make purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, and pay for online transactions. To minimize fees, try to use ATMs that do not charge a withdrawal fee. You can also set a daily spending limit and receive notifications for large transactions to help you stay on top of your spending. It is also important to have a backup plan in case your card is lost or stolen. Make sure you have the Wise customer support contact information and know how to freeze your card and order a replacement. In addition to using your Wise card, you can also use the Wise mobile app to send and receive money internationally. This feature allows you to transfer funds quickly and securely, with low fees and competitive exchange rates. By following these steps and using your Wise card responsibly, you can enjoy a hassle-free and cost-effective experience when traveling overseas. Remember to always monitor your account activity and keep your card information secure to avoid any potential issues. Overall, using a Wise card overseas can be a great way to manage your finances while traveling, as long as you are aware of the fees and take the necessary steps to protect your account. By being informed and taking the right precautions, you can make the most of your Wise card and enjoy your travels without worrying about your finances.